to the cabinet, and I don't know if I would change the knobs. I don't know if I can DIY the colors, but they are okay. Big cabinet all the way to the ceiling. I don't like this. I don't like this color. I know it goes with the cabinets, but I don't like it. I do not like this color. The backsplash, I do not like it. So I'm gonna DIY it. I wish they would move it all the way from to here, because what's the point in all the way up there? You know, like all the way up to here, instead of like stop it there, and the window is this on this side. So I'm gonna DIY the backsplash. So guys, we back at it again. Okay, so this time last time I wasn't using a level, so I'm going to be using a level just to make sure that the shelves are straight. As you can see, these are not straight. Okay, they kind of like crooked like that, so I'm gonna have to put that. And then this is the bracket I'll be using. Oh, this is a drill right. Okay, so we're gonna get to it. So what I just did, I just put the thing and just took the measurement from the bottom. So I'm gonna do the same thing for every one of them, and then I'm just gonna start. I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna be like that, and it is gonna be in the bottom. So guys, I have this thing around the house because I bought this when I just moved in, so to close some holes around the house. So since I had it in a house, so I was like, let me just use this to just seal it, because I feel like if I did not seal it, water may go underneath the sticker and then it will come off over time. So I said, let me just seal it just in case. So I am not sure if this is the best option. So if you decided to do this, maybe you can search for the best option. Okay. Okay guys, this is the finished product. Okay, so look how bright this make the kitchen look. Look at that guys. This is the counter space. It's very nice. Like, it looks like it's supposed to be here like this whole time, like the other color was. And this is the shelf that I put together. I haven't fixed it yet, so I'm still gonna have to fix it, arrange everything. So right now I put this thing on it, but it's not going to stay like this. This is my tea section right here. But yeah, I still have a lot of things, so I can't wait to fix this kitchen. And then this is the other part, guys. I put not only I put it because the other one stuck right here. Remember, I stuck right here. So now I put it all the way up. See, put it all the way up. Look how bright the kitchen is, guys. It looks so big. Look at that. See that? Except even it has a little bubble. Like if you don't really take your time, this one, but it doesn't look bad if you looking it far away, but it's not that bad. And so this is where I had to cut it to try to make sure, to try to align it. Can you see that? Can you see that? This is the other piece that I cut. Tell me guys, it doesn't look good. It looks good. I love it. It makes the kitchen looks bigger, which is not really big like that. So now, so I don't know if I'm trying to, like, you know, get, like, you know, things like this. I don't know what you guys think. And the floor is still like this. I hate this floor. Like, it gets dirty so fast. This is the floor that I'm gonna be putting down soon. So, and that's the color right here. So that's the color. So I'm gonna put it on the floor. To change it, I cannot wait. So I'm planning to get this done, let's say I know it's nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep. So I'm trying to plan to get this done maybe next month. You guys will get it probably next Tuesday. So I'm trying to see to have a schedule for these things, like the updates and things like that, like one specific day, probably like Tuesday, and then Friday I'll just post hair videos and anything else. So for now, I can't wait to put the floor down. I cannot wait to put the floor down so everything could come together. With the floor, I don't know what I'm going to do I don't want it to mess up the people's floor, but I'm going to figure it out. The noise the refrigerator was making, it's crazy. So guys, I don't even know if you guys heard me because this refrigerator was making too much noise, but I hope you guys heard what I said, that I'm trying to get this done over the weekend. So next video for the finished product will be for the finished complete kitchen probably next Tuesday. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your man, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you're like a pick and chooser. Make it all about you, go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you